You're tired of traditional banks, right? Those places with hidden fees, long lines, and confusing policies? You're looking for something simpler, something that actually works for you. Something like Chime. But before we dive into why Chime might be your new financial BFF, let's tackle a burning question. How much does a Chime card actually cost? Now, this might seem like a straightforward question, but trust me, it's a bit more complicated than you think. See, Chime isn't your typical bank. It's a financial technology company, which means it operates a bit differently. They've built a reputation for being fee-friendly, but let's break down the costs to make sure you're getting the full picture. First off, the Chime debit card itself? Absolutely free. No hidden charges, no surprises. You get a sleek, modern card that you can use to swipe, tap, or insert just about anywhere Visa is accepted. But wait, there's a catch, right? Well, not really. Chime makes its money in other ways, like interchange fees and interest on overdraft protection. But that doesn't mean you're paying extra for your card. Now, let's talk about the Chime checking account, because that's where things get interesting. Again, no monthly fees. No minimum balance requirements. It's like they want you to save money or something. But remember, while the account itself is free, there might be some costs associated with how you use it. For instance, out-of-network ATM fees. If you're not using one of Chime's partner ATMs, you might get hit with a fee. It's not Chime's fault, but it's something to keep in mind. Overdraft fees? Well, technically, Chime offers a service called SpotMe that can help you avoid overdrafts, but it's not guaranteed. If you overdraw your account and don't have SpotMe, you might face fees. But here's the thing, Chime is transparent about these costs. They tell you upfront what to expect. And compared to traditional banks, their fee structure is downright refreshing. Plus, they offer a bunch of perks like early direct deposit and fee-free overdraft protection, up to a certain amount that can offset any potential costs. So, to answer the question, how much does a Chime card cost? The card itself is free. The account is free. But like any financial product, there are potential costs associated with how you use it. However, when you weigh those costs against the benefits and compare Chime to traditional banks, it's clear that you can save a lot of money. Now, is Chime right for everyone? Maybe not. If you need a physical branch to handle your finances, Chime might not be the best fit. But if you're looking for a fee-friendly, digital-first banking experience, Chime definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.